I created this session to explore how generative AI tools such as avatars and voice cloning can enhance presentation delivery and engagement. You will hear from me along with several AI-generated voices. I've also included a clone of my own voice, not to impress, but to highlight both the potential and the current limitation of this technology. If you decide to experiment with cloning voices or images, I encourage you to do so ethically and with careful consideration of the implications. Thank you.
Welcome to Introduction to International Business. I'm your virtual host for today's session. In this session, we'll be joined by an expert who will help us explore 3 foundational questions. What is international business? Why does it matter in today's world? And what core frameworks can help us understand it? These questions will set the stage for everything we'll cover in this course, from global strategy to cultural intelligence. So, get ready to think globally, ask big questions, and start seeing business beyond borders. Let's dive in and meet our guest expert. Note, please wait until the end to discover how this presentation was produced.
What is international business? International business is the exchange of goods, services, technology, and capital across national borders. It's more than just trade. It includes managing operations, navigating regulations, and building relationships in diverse cultural and economic contexts. Why does it matter in today's world? International business matters because the world is deeply interconnected. From the phone in your hand to the food on your table, global supply chains, markets, and policies impact our daily lives. Understanding these connections helps businesses compete and collaborate across borders. And what core frameworks can help us understand it? Key frameworks like the Cage model, Porter's diamond, and institutional theory help us analyze global differences, assess market opportunities, and understand how political, economic, and cultural forces shape international strategy.
Hi!
Hello there.
Today I used ElevenLabs to create this video. I would like you please to explain to my audience what ElevenLabs is and its capabilities.
ElevenLabs is a text-to-speech platform that uses advanced AI to generate high-quality synthetic voices. It can be used for various applications, such as creating audiobooks, voiceovers for videos, and even conversational AI. Its capabilities include creating realistic speech in different accents and styles, as well as cloning existing voices.
Excellent, and that's exactly what I did today. I cloned my own voice. Yeah, can you show them the steps?
Sure, I can guide you through the steps. First, please go to the Voices section. Then you should see an option to clone your voice. Click on that, and the platform will guide you through the process of uploading your voice samples and creating the cloned voice.
Excellent, that's exactly what I did.
Great! Once the voice is cloned, you can use it in various features of ElevenLabs, such as the text-to-speech act converter or the podcast creator.
Today, we'll explore DID, a fascinating platform that lets you create engaging talking avatars using AI-generated voices. First, to get started, you'll need to log in or sign up on the DID website. The platform offers both free and paid versions. With the free version, you can experiment with basic features, but if you want to clone your own voice or remove watermarks from your videos, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Now, let's walk through a simple workflow. First, you can either write a short script, upload your own audio, or record your voice directly onto the platform. Once you have your audio, you can choose an avatar from their gallery or upload your own image. Then, you can sync the audio with the avatar. Finally, you can preview your video to make sure it looks the way you want it, and then export the final product. This powerful tool can be used for many educational purposes, like creating dynamic panel discussions, simulating realistic interviews, or even presenting guest lectures using AI personas. It's a fantastic way to engage your audience and explore new creative possibilities. I hope this helps you get started with DID.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful or thought-provoking, I'd really appreciate it if you could like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. These videos take a lot of time, care, and experimentation to put together, but the goal is simple: to make emerging AI tools more accessible for learning, teaching, training, and thoughtful discussion. By sharing, you're not just helping this channel grow, you're helping spread knowledge and spark important conversations across various venues, classrooms, businesses, workshops, teams, and communities. See you in the next episode.